Hi guys, welcome back. This is Aditya here. So in my all previous video I had covered the abs workout, the abs series workout. So as in most of the cities the still lockdown is going on because of the COVID-19, and a lot of people have dumbbells at their home. So what I thought is that this is the best time to make a video on the home workout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do 4 to 5 each body part workout video. Today we are going to do a shoulder workout. With this, by following this video, you can do a shoulder workout at home, and the next one will be the arms workout, chest workout, and the lower body. So I'll be covering all the body part where you don't need anything, you just need a pair of dumbbells. If you have different kgs of weights, like if you have 2.5, 5, 7.5, 10, you can use it according to your strength. And if you're a beginner, you can always start with a lower weight like 2.5 kg. If you're like I'm talking about the girls, or you can use 2.5, and men you can start with 5, then you can go by 7.5 and 10. So today workout is a shoulder workout. So in this I'll be covering 4 variations. The first one will be the shoulder press, Arnold press, front raises, and the lateral side raises. 4 variations. So 12 reps each of 3 sets you have to do. So it doesn't depend, like you have you can work out in the morning, empty stomach, or have a light snack. You can work out, or a light breakfast, whatever you can have, but don't work out in empty stomach. At least have something and work out. Anything, morning, afternoon, evening, anytime, any comfortable time you get. All you need is just dumbbell. That's it. You don't need anything. So you can what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these 4 body parts in all the videos: shoulders, arms, then chest, and the lower body workout. Then after that, what we can do is, when you get used to all these workouts, we can add a body part workouts like shoulder and legs, then triceps and biceps, then chest and back. So these way we can customize the workout once you get. So this video will be purely on the shoulder workout. So today my fitness partner is Sanidhi here. So she'll be using 2.5 kg weight. Then I'll be using 5. I can go more, 5, 7.5, 10, but I want to stick with the 5 so that beginners who can get the postures correct. So before doing this workout, guys, always warm up is very important. So do warm up, watch my warm up video, that is static warm up video, which I have uploaded in my previous video. Do watch that. So perform those warm up, because I want to keep this video short. So what you do is, before doing these exercises, do warm up your shoulders. That's more important. So whole body warm up, head to toe, then you start with the workout. My previous video is static warm up. You can search it on my channel and you'll get the static warm up video. Follow that, then you come back to the shoulder workout. Any exercise, warm up is important. Okay, chalo. Now we'll start with the shoulder workout. First one. So first variation is the shoulder press. So I'll show you the posture first. Okay, hand up here first. Okay, now don't go down too much. Okay, hand shoulder level here, right in line with your shoulders, elbows, and breathing pattern is exhale when you press up, inhale down, exhale up, inhale down. Okay, so make sure, I have seen a lot of people dropping their shoulders down. Don't drop your shoulders down. Keep it, your elbows should be in a line with your shoulders, and don't take it front, or don't widen your elbows. Keep your shoulder right, your elbow should be right in a line with your shoulders, not dropping it down. And I've seen a lot of people pushing their shoulders back. Always in a line, and dumbbells exactly besides your ears when you're doing the shoulder press. So we'll be doing 12 counts. So exhale up, inhale down is the breathing. So we'll be doing 12 counts of this first variation, shoulder press. Start. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so this was the shoulder press first variation. So what you do is, don't try to go too much fast into the reps. So 3 sets you have to do of 12 reps depending on the weight you have. Either you have 2.5, 5, anything you are comfortable. Don't go too fast in the reps. Control the weight, slowly come down. Don't do the fast reps of the shoulder press. Control the weight. So second variation is the Arnold press. So in Arnold press, up here, okay, dumbbell facing, your palm facing towards you, making a fist here, okay. Breathing is exhale up, inhale down. 1, rotate, then rotate and come down, okay. 2, exhale up, inhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Okay, now back. Now we did Arnold press. So if you are uncomfortable with the standing, with your lower back pain, you can do it on a chair, or some people have bench at home. You can use the bench, normal exercise bench. You can sit on that and do if you are having lower back pain. Otherwise, if you don't have any lower back pain, you can perform these exercises by standing. Now next one will be the front raises. So in front raises, again, don't swing your body, keep your body intact, just use your deltoids to lift it up, okay. As your breathing pattern is inhale up, exhale down is a breathing. So exhale up, inhale down is a breathing. So don't arch your back, don't swing it while lifting, keep your body constant. Only your arms should move, only your shoulders, don't swing it up, okay. So I'll be doing this angle, she will be doing on the front angle, so that you can see the both angles. So first one, so third variation, front raises, exhale up, inhale down. 1, slowly down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12, and slowly down, okay. So now we finished 3 variations. So the next one will be the side lateral raises. So I think shoulder press, Arnold press, front raises are quite easy. Side raises is little difficult. I've seen a lot of people getting the postures wrong. So start with 2.5. If you are beginner, men or women, start with 2.5. If you are intermediate and if you are slightly getting the posture wrong, you can start with 5, and always, like girls start with, women start with 2.5. So I'll show the posture first. So I've seen a lot of people doing this straight up elbow. So don't do that, that's wrong, because it will put too much pressure on your shoulders, elbow, because there is less effect on the lateral deltoid. Means, for example, lateral side raises means it's for your lateral deltoid. So make sure you always, when you do a lateral side raises, your elbows are bent this way. Open your elbows and come down. Don't do a straight hand. Always elbow bent. Concentrate, then slowly roll the lower the weight down. Exhale up, inhale down. Same thing, your body is constant, only your shoulders, your elbows moves, not your, don't swing with your hip, okay. If it's higher weight, better to use a lighter weight, so that don't cheat on the reps. So now we'll start 12 counts of lateral side raises, okay. Exhale up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, last one, 12. Okay. So this was the shoulder workout. So I've covered 4 variations with the breathing pattern, the right postures. So 4 variations, and in my previous and the next videos, in the future videos, I'll be covering arms, back, chest and the legs workout. So always begin with a lower weight. As you get used to it, then you can increase the weights and the reps. So now 3 sets of each variation, 12 you can do. I've covered all the basic shoulder workout, no advance in this. I've covered all the basic shoulder workout. Do maintain a right posture. The warm up first, that's important. Right posture, breathing pattern. Don't be in a hurry to increase the weights. Maintain the lesser weight first time. Okay, so next workout will be on the arms. Okay, so hope you liked the video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.